Okay, Maggie, just calmly and carefully back away. Behave! Blueberry!
I told you not to mock me at picnics.
But you faker! What the hell is that?
Yeah, that's your Social Security tax. Government takes out money, then gives it back when you retire in 50 years.
What? Stupid government thinks it's smarter than me. I can handle my money. Put $5 on any two animals fighting. And I'll eat the loser.
We're not gonna need Social Security. We're gonna be rich.
Yeah, we'll never need government help. Help me, government!
We need our Social Security checks.
Make it rain a modest fixed amount.